Did you know there's a simple way to keep your skin looking younger, help you ward off colds and flu, and make your piano sound better? This isn't some miracle cure or home remedy. It's something as simple as the air in your home, or more accurately, the moisture in that air. When winter comes, Calgarians suffer from chapped lips and dry eyes. That's because Calgary has very low humidity, next to that of the desert. Low humidity damages hardwood floors, wood furniture, and cabinets that can shrink and warp. It can quickly put your piano out of tune. When there isn't enough moisture in the air, carpets and upholstery cause static electricity that can wreak havoc on computers and electronics. Did you know that government studies have proven that when cold, dry air dehydrates your nasal passages and throat, you're at an increased risk for microbial and viral infection? Dehydration also causes muscle and joint pain and a lack of concentration. A whole home humidifier boosts the moisture content in your home in the winter. Along with the health benefits, air that has the proper humidity feels warmer, so you can lower your thermostat to save energy. Accu-Temp recommends installing a bypass flow-through humidifier such as the TrueEase HE150 or Honeywell HE225, which has the added benefit of an exclusive Alcon antimicrobial coating to inhibit bacteria growth. Avoid drum-style humidifiers which have standing water that can harbor bacteria. A whole home humidifier can help keep you comfortable, healthy, and in tune all winter long.